Hey guys, Unknown Gamer here, and today we're gonna crush your coffee maker like a boss. Okay guys, here's the coffee maker, and my friend Aiden's gonna take the first blow with a shovel. Go get it.
Stop. It's hammer time.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Okay.
Mine.
We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do this.
Oh. I'm taking another. Oh, I missed. Okay, one more. Oh.
Stop.
Whoa.
The internet for Galicia.
We got the engine.
Got the internet Galicia.
And the wire's not cut. Get it out. Quick. Get it. Okay. I want to take another blow at it?
No. Okay.
I'm taking it.
Don't.
You want to?
No, this thing's at the metal grid. You do? Something's catching on fire. Okay, that's all we needed.
No. One more blow.
No, dude, no. Thing's gonna catch on fire.
We're going to get the hose ready.
Fine. Who's ready?
Get it.
Wait a second.
Get the hose.
I want to make sure the hose is equipped. Turn it on. Here.
Turned on. Now you just need to pull that to make sure. Okay, stop.
Go.
One more. Okay, let me take another.